Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to change your language on Netflix. And we're going to use the Netflix website to do this. So on your mobile browser or on a computer, go to netflix.com, sign into your accounts, and you're going to go up here and click accounts. Same with the mobile device. Click the three lines to press accounts to take you to the account page. Once you get to the account page, there's a bunch of things you could do here. Change email, change password number. You could even change your plan right here. But on the bottom of the page on your profile, now remember, choose the profile where you want to change the language. Click language here. And these are all the different languages that Netflix supports. So choose one you want and simply press save. And that will change the Netflix language on all your devices, including Netflix.com. Let me choose the first one here. And I'll press save just to show you. And as you can see, everything on my Netflix has changed. And even if I go to the home icon here, as you can see, all the subtitles for all the shows here have changed. So it's that simple to change your language right onto Netflix. Let me just go ahead and change it back to English here and press save. I hope you found this helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.